Hello guys, so today I am going to install the 12 gang switch panel. So my switch one is the wired one, so I was passing the wire from here. So I was using the coat hanger, the steel one. So I wrapped up the wire, this wire on the hanger and passed through it. I wrapped it like this, locked it a little bit. I will open this and start working again. So it came through here. So after passing this wire for the remote, I mount everything on the fuse box. This is your main box, this is your, all the wires are being connected, and I have given the main power from the fuse box, and the black one is here, and I passed all the wires from here for the remote. It goes all through here, if you guys can see there, and comes in here. The remote is working, looks like that. We can change the brightness on this. For that I think I've turned off the flash. So this is the brightest one, medium, this is the lowest one. No, this is the lowest one. After that it's back on bright. That should be good. Everything wired there. I had the rock lights earlier, so it's on this button. And I have hood lights, but I don't have wires right now to make it extended, so that also works fine. So soon it will be mounted too. So stay tuned for all the upgrades for the lights which I will do on my Jeep. So I was figuring out we can even change the color on this. Only